Hey, what's up? What's going on, Chiliz holders? So today's absolutely very special video has gone. So don't skip this video. Absolutely very important for Chiliz holder because Chiliz is going down. So why they gone down? And some people ask me to what video sell, buy or hold. So everything discussion as in this video. Keep watch this video. It's gone very informative. So let's get started this technical analysis of Chiliz. But before I get started this brand video, I request you to please subscribe if you have new on this channel. Subscribe this channel. This channel is very informative channel. This channel give you a very good information of all cryptocurrencies. So this is absolutely a very fast test channel. Please subscribe this channel. Okay, if you can see here the chat as a negative, first of all you can see here, and I said why this is an negative. So if you can see here, first of all in the chart is that absolutely that totally goes down. So what we do, the decision is very hard for all Chiliz holder because Chiliz is very fastest cryptocurrency, and this is absolutely a big amount. You can see here absolutely very high price. 0.4828 US dollar is the latest price of one Chiliz coin. So absolutely this is very high price. Let's check it out the last 1 hour chart, and then we decide to this is holder, this is selling time, this is holding time, or this is buying time. Oh my goodness, absolutely I am right. You can see here this time absolutely the result has gone down. So every cryptocurrency is goes down, and those days therefore I imagine that to absolutely they also goes down. So you can see here minus 0.57% they go down. This is not a small dump, absolutely this is very big dump. You can see here the graph is absolutely totally goes down. Sometimes they can take a jump, but sometimes they can again starting dumping. So why? This is the very fastest cryptocurrency. Why in those days they go down? This is the start of month. This is the start of a big reason is that too. This is the start of month. Therefore, they absolutely goes down. So please, this is not a terrible. Absolutely, this is good news. I hope of a coming days they can go absolutely very fastly goes up. So if they can starting goes up, then absolutely they make you a millionaire. They can give you a good profit. So don't they miss this chance. Just buy it. My opinion is that to buy it. I cannot order you. Just I share my opinion. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. Absolutely good for me because I am also Chiliz holder. So I also need your opinion. Please share it in a comment box. But my opinion is that this is buying time, and please buy it and hold it. If you have any plan of buy, then absolutely this day is good for you to buy it. Absolutely they go like a rocket, and just upcoming days at the end of month they can give you a good price. Absolutely they make you a millionaire. So 0.459 US dollar is the latest price. I hope in upcoming days they can go on absolutely go up. And then if you want this type more informative, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Like this video, comment this video.